Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to go down to the water plant number 1 in Otter Creek and we're going to get that shed. I got a call from the maintenance man, Mr. Richard. Him and Mr. Zim are down there. So we're going to get to this. I got to hook the trailer up to the truck, get a couple tools, hammers. That's about it. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for liking, watching, subscribing. Let's do this. Got the truck backed up to the trailer. Alright, let's get this trailer hooked up. Back up a little more. We just got the trailer all hooked up. Check the tires. There's got to be a tire flat on here. It's so gloomy today, it feels nice. Yeah, it's a little low. I think we'll be alright. Alright, off to Otter Creek. Coming into Otter Creek here. Going over the bridge. This is Otter Creek on State Road 24. Right here is the city limits of Otter Creek. Alright, fixing to be to the water tower here soon. Pulling up the water plant number 1. Check it out. New RV park's fence here in Otter Creek, Florida. This triangle piece of property right here is the Strong's property. Not sure what that building's going to be. I wish I had some of that dirt. We're going to look at the front of it too. There's Mr. Zvim's pole for his sign he's putting up for his RV campground. Pretty sure he's gonna do all this RV park too. They got it painted quick. Alright, we're off to the water plant number 1. Richard pulled up. Fixing to get it unlocked and get the shed loaded up right there. Got the tools. Fixing to get this floor tore out of here. Got a couple screws over here to get along this wall and the back wall. Alright. Yeah, I don't know who that was either. Fixing to get these bolts out of here. 4 falling in. Alright. Got to get this back one here. I think we got 1, 2, 3 of them down here. Let me get ready. Fixing to move the shed.
When you picked up the wall, it went back underneath.
We're going to find out.
All right.
For sure.
Shaky.
Yeah. I think that's it, pretty much. I mean, if it gets messed up, it gets messed up. I would like to keep it. If you want to get on that corner, where this lay it over this way.
Lay it on the table?
I think it'll hurt it. You have any idea? Once we get it up. Try not to let it slam down, but if it does, it does.
So.
Alright, let me pull up a little bit. Alright.
you're on top of it.
Yeah, perfect. All right, we're gonna take us a little break. We're gonna take us a little break, and then I'm gonna get this floor cleaned up real quick right here, and call it a day. Then figure out how to unload this without destroying it. Fixing to get this done here. Me and Mr. Richards getting it tore apart. This frame, bottom two 4x4 posts, they're probably the most solid, the whole thing out of the whole shed. They're solid than anything else. We're gonna get her done. All we got is this. We'll be done. And it is loaded. Whew, gotta strap it down still. We got it all loaded, me and Mr. Richard. We're gonna clean up, rake up a little bit over there, strap up, wash up, and get to the house. Get this unloaded. This wood and stuff I'll burn. And the shed, I'm not sure what's gonna be done with it. Alright. I'll get over there and help Mr. Richard. Let's get this pile cleaned up. Mr. Richard raked this up here. We're done. We're going to get that cleaned up. We're going to wash up and get the shed strapped, and I'm going to get to the house. Got it cleaned up here in Otter Creek at Water Plant number 1. One of these days I'll show you. They'll get the tanks done, getting it all painted in there. Getting new plumbing done. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment. We'll see you on the next one. Look, it looks a lot different without that shed there, don't it?
Yeah.
For sure.